Your email signature is something that will be added to the bottom of every single email you send. So how exactly can you set that up on Gmail? Well, we'll be going over how to do that in this very video. So the way you do it on desktop is by first clicking on that cogwheel icon in the top right and then clicking on See All Settings. Next, stay in this main group of options that you'll be sent to and scroll down until you see a signature option. Then click on that plus sign to create your signature and then give your brand new signature a name. The reason it's asking for a name is because you can have multiple signatures that you can switch between. Once you have selected a name, what you can do then is start typing out your signature in this field that pops up. And you can get pretty advanced. You can not only add text, but even customize what font the text will have, add any special formatting, and even insert things like links or images as well. So it is pretty in-depth. Now, if you just leave it at that, then that signature will not be automatically added to any new emails. Instead, what you'd have to do is click on this little pen icon when making a new email, and then choosing your signature from the list. In order for Gmail to add it automatically, below the field where you actually type in your signature, you'll see some options to choose which signature to automatically apply from your list of created signatures. These will also be applied whenever you send an email from the Gmail mobile app. However, there's also a separate mobile signature that you can add for any emails you send that way. Once you are in the Gmail app, simply just swipe right and then scroll down on this menu that pops up until you see settings and then tap on that. Next, tap on an email from this list that pops up and then scroll down until you see mobile signature. So what you're going to do is tap on that and it's going to bring up a little window where you can add your signature. As you can see, it is a lot less involved than it is on desktop, and you can't do the same amount of customization as you can do on there. So that's exactly how you can add a signature on Gmail. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority from like this in the future.